What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit back with another video. Shout out to y'all for tuning in. If you are new here, I'm a motorcycle rider from St. Louis. In the last video, I got a new head tattoo. The video before that, we shaved off some hair. So I'm getting ready to hop on this 2019 Road Glide, and we're about to ride around the city. And let's just go see what we're gonna run into, and let's have some fun. Let's go. Woo! All right, this is gonna be cool. It's about 65 degrees in St. Louis, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I just felt like getting out and riding today. Woo! But I do have some clear ones with them. Purple glasses for the win.
I was stripping, you was stripping, loaded pallet. With my bitch, beat me up when I'm driving.
Alright, y'all, we outside. It's feeling great.
Oh man, I want you in the club.
Alright, y'all, today we're gonna talk about how the Road Glide changed my life. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, ooh yeah. I'm a roll, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. Yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, yeah. She said she want to stay. I'm the one I walk like a champion, act like a champion. What a piece of body, yeah.
Alright, y'all, I'm out here in St. Louis. I just pulled over real quick because I wanted to talk to y'all. What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit. I'm back with another video. If you're new here, I'm a motorcycle rider from St. Louis, Missouri. Boom. Alright, we've been riding around today. I wanted to hop off my bike and talk to y'all, okay? I'm gonna make this quick. This is not gonna be a long video. It's gonna be straight to the point. I wanted to talk to y'all about why the Road Glide changed my life. First things first, this bike allowed me to see the world in a way that I've never seen before. Being able to hop on my bike and travel state to state. Now you can do that in a car, right? But on a motorcycle, it's a perspective that you just can't get anywhere else, okay? Just being free, the wind blowing in your face. You got your feet kicked up, you know, you got your music going. It's no feeling like it. And that's the main reason I love this bike. But the second reason is getting off of work and I'm stressed out. You can ask anyone who rides, I'm sure they'll say the same thing. Literally, when you hop on the bike, your problems just tend to just go away. Literally, the wind, in my mind, the wind literally pulls my stress off of me as I'm rolling down the street. That's literally how I feel. And it's one of the greatest feelings in the world to be able to hop on a bike and let all of your problems go. So that's a very big reason why this bike has changed my life. You just need a quick getaway. Hopping on a bike doing a 1 hour ride is literally life changing for me. Going to grab some food, going out to a nice winery, going out to go get some a dope restaurant. 2 hours away, 5 hours away, or even taking a road trip for the weekend. That's just something that's amazing. It's a feeling that you can't describe, so you really gotta try it. So if you're thinking about grabbing a road glide, do I think that you should get one? Yes. If you know that you're gonna be traveling every other month, every month, or once a month, whatever you wanna do, you wanna hop on your bike and you wanna see the world, and you know you're gonna ride it, definitely get a road glide. It's comfortable. You got bags. You can open up the bags and put gear in it. You can put clothes in there for road trips. You can put a tour pack on the back. I got my glasses. I've been looking for these. We're gonna throw them on before we leave. I got rags. I got snacks. That's actually gross. We're gonna have to toss that. So yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
For real? Thank you.
Just got it?
No, I had it for like 3 years.
Wow, that was awfully big. You can handle that?
Yeah, I try my best. Thank you so much.
I haven't seen a woman on a bike like that in about 10 or 15 years.
Really? So you used to get it in?
Yeah, I'm 60 now. I can't handle that shit now.
Really?
I used to have my mom. What year is that?
This is 2019.
Oh, girl.
Thank you.
QueenSit, okay?
Your QueenSit, like you sit down.
Yeah, that's tight.
Y'all, and so we got some perfume. I got a pick from Sturgis. Oh, that's from Two Lane Life. They gave me this. You got a luggage rack. It's so much on this bike that you can do, and it makes this bike so special. This bike is like my best friend. It's literally like a comfort zone for me. Being on a road trip in West Virginia and going through mountains and you freaking out. I've cried on this bike. This bike, we are connected. So the road glide for me is life-changing because I literally feel like it's a part of me. Just because doing road trips and challenging yourself is insane. Like, can I do this road trip alone? Can I drive 12 hours alone? And it's just you and your bike. So building that connection with my road glide has changed my life. Another reason the road glide changed my life is on Instagram, I had a street bob, right? And I was posting pictures, I was posting videos. People were loving it, people were liking it. People were noticing like, oh, that's pretty dope. QueenSit really out here, you know, on this bike riding around. And when I bought the road glide, things just kind of shot up. On social media, people start following me more, people start interacting with my posts more. On YouTube, it allowed me to do road trips and go longer distances. It offered me opportunities. Meeting YouTubers on trips, like it's something to say, hey, come to my city or I'll come to yours and let's make a YouTube video. This bike has built connections for me. So for me, this is my personal story. I'm not saying you can go out and buy one and the same thing will happen, but for me, that's another reason why this road glide has changed my life. I was just riding the other day, I'm like, wow, this bike really changed my life. So motorcycles in general can change your life, y'all. But the road glide being so comfortable, it's a lot of traffic going on. We got people coming out, I'm gonna have to move. But we're gonna keep this video short, sweet. My bad, I was out here recording. Huh? Oh, my motorcycle? I'm a YouTuber. All right, y'all, so we're gonna wrap this video up. I ain't wanna take too much time, but that's my reasons why the road glide changed my life. I know that if you get a motorcycle, it can change yours. Are motorcycles dangerous? Yes. Are cars dangerous? Yes. So don't let people discourage you and say like, oh my God, if you're responsible on the bike, you shouldn't have any problems. Like if you hop on a motorcycle and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna do 200 miles per hour. I'm gonna do 150 down the street. Then you're getting into more dangerous chances of things going wrong, right? Now, some things you can't control. Like one time I was riding on train tracks and it was raining and I crossed at a T, but I guess you really can't control how slippery the tracks are. And I fell off my bike and hurt myself, but it's just some things you can't avoid. But Overall, do I feel like this is dangerous? Honestly, no. I just said it because that's what statistics say or people say, but me personally, I don't think motorcycles are dangerous. Like, I mean, obviously, I don't know, but I just think you just do what makes you happy, for real. You can't really worry about that. Just be responsible. Look both ways before you pull out into a street. Double check before you switch lanes. I look over my shoulder. So if you're thinking about getting a motorcycle, do it. I say do it. There's riders who have kids who ride. You know, just know your limits and don't go out and, this is my personal opinion, don't go out and buy like a Gixxer 1000, you know, and it's your first bike. Now, do people do that? Yes. But know your height, know how much you can lift, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Like, it's free, okay? Why wouldn't you want to come back and hang with me? Go ahead and subscribe, y'all. I'll wait. I'm finna sit down. We gonna cop a seat right here. I'll wait. Go ahead and push that like button real quick. I'll wait. Thank you. Okay. To subscribe. It doesn't hurt to subscribe. But it's nothing but love. I'm just joking. I appreciate y'all. And we out for real. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We finna hop back on this bike. We finna get out of here. Throw this helmet on.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me since I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
Alright, y'all. We at Papa John's. You should have known I was getting pizza. And we got Abby on the back of this motorcycle. So we're gonna show you how to carry a pizza on your motorcycle. Abby's sitting here. So I think we want to throw the pizza back there. We got some straps. So let's see if we can make it happen. Yeah. What kind of pizza you want?
Green peppers and onions.
Oh, there it is. Special deals are online. What y'all normally do? What else y'all got?
Stuffed crust.
You want stuffed crust?
Yes.
Oh, stuffed crust. Y'all got like desserts and brownies? Yeah, brownies, cookies. Y'all know I love pizza. If you're new to the channel, pizza is my favorite. On the motorcycle road trips, we get pizza. And we got pizza again. We're getting pizza. So yeah, y'all. Ooh, man, what else? And what else we got, y'all? Oh my God. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright. Now we just gotta get this on the motorcycle. Have a good one. Thank you. Alright, y'all. I put the sauce in here. Okay, we got a little marinara, we got some ranch, and we're gonna throw it over here. Oh, look at this bike, y'all. Oh my God. Like, what? This is what we got, y'all. We got the pizza. We're gonna put it on this luggage rack. We got some straps. And we we got another strap on the other side. Just got a strap to the luggage rack. And in my motorcycle, I keep the longer straps just tucked in my sissy bar. I mean, in my saddlebag. So all I gotta do is connect these two right here, and then I'm gonna pull it. Now the bike, what's wrong? I'm hungry. The box might get a little bent, but it's not gonna hurt nothing. All right, Lord, never mind. It broke off. Cool, I must have forgot to tuck it, and it broke off on the wheel. So we gonna ride with one strap today. Now this is very dangerous. So I'm gonna maneuver this over a little bit. What's the best way? I'm gonna tuck this corner in here and like wedge it on the seat, so it's gonna be in your seat a little bit. That's cool.
You want me to hold it?
Oh, you wanna hold it? Yeah, she just, well, it ain't moving.
Girl, because if them brownies hit the ground, I can't guarantee you I'm not gonna cry.
Ooh, y'all, so then you hop on the bike, you look. But it stopped right there. See?
Okay.
Pray for us. Pray for us. Alright, y'all, we finna hop on this bike and take it on home. I feel like that's a whole nother video. How to carry pizza? You praying for the pizza or us? I think it's traffic that way.
Feel so numb.
Right, boy.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing back.